Hello dear Aries, this is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for April 2021. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy and we will see what the outcome will be, okay? Yeah. So on your partner side, we got the energy of the Hanged Man. I feel like Aries, your partner is not taking any kind of movement, or they are not saying anything to you, or they are holding back their emotions, or they are seeing this relationship or you in a very different perspective, in a very different light now. Because what I feel like is they, although they want to talk about this relationship, they want to, you know, keep this relationship with you, but right now they are in this energy of not taking any kind of initiative or not taking any kind of action from their side. Okay, how they see you, your person sees you as somebody who is very courageous and who got guts to do anything that they want to do in life. So basically Aries, your person sees you as somebody who is very courageous and who takes initiatives and who talk in a manner of yes, I can do it, yes, I can proceed further in life, yes, I am very powerful. So your person sees you as a very powerful person overall. Maybe you are connected to some powerful jobs, or maybe you are into politics or something like that, but whatever it is, your person feels like you are a very strong person by nature as well, or by your job as well, I can say. Okay, so what they feel about this relationship is the Moon. Right now your person is very fearful, Aries, to be very honest, because what I feel is your person feels like this relationship is not going the way it should be, and there is lots of secrets and there is lots of hidden things that is not revealed to each other, maybe, or they have subconscious fear reaching out to you. Okay, they might be taking a lot of time. Basically they are holding back. What I can feel is your person, Aries, is holding back from telling you something, or they to reveal you something. They are not exactly telling what they are feeling, but they have lots of fears about this particular relationship, about you in general. But what I feel is what they want from you is the Ace of Pentacles. What they want from you is the new beginning. They want a new start with you. They want to start the relationship again, if it is on a break or you guys were not talking to each other. So basically they want a new start, a new beginning in this particular relationship with you. But right now I don't feel like they are going to take any kind of initiative, and the outcome from their side is the Star. See, yes, Aries, your person is very hopeful that things will turn out to be good eventually with the course of time, because the Star card is of hope. The Star card is of positivity, healing. I think your person is going through a lot of healing, lot of introspection, lot of different kind of things are going on in their life. I feel like you should at least talk to a person, Aries, in a very calm and composed manner, and you should try to understand what is going behind the scenes, because what I feel is your person is going through a lot right now and they are not revealing it to you. So the outcome from their side is the Star. So they are very hopeful, they are very positive that things will eventually work out in this relationship. And the Star is clarified by the Five of Wands, Knight of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. What I feel is they are very hopeful that this conflict, this inner conflict, or this conflict, whichever outer conflict or inner conflict that is going on between you guys, will finally melt up, and they will offer you a love offer, or they will connect with you in a very loving manner, and they will offer you something very stable eventually, Aries. They want to offer you this pentacle. This is a very stable and beautiful and practical energy. What I can say is the Queen of Pentacles is very practical and down to earth energy, and very stable too. Okay, so the outcome, the Star is clarified by these cards. So they are very hopeful that things will turn out in their favor, in this relationship's favor. The conflict will melt away and they will finally come out to you and they will offer you something solid. Okay, this is their energy, Aries. Let's quickly tap into your energy now. Your energy, I can see Gemini. You're dealing with a Gemini or Libra, yeah, I am sensing strong Gemini Libra energy here, because of I don't know why, but I am feeling like lots of Libra energy here and Gemini too, because the Lovers card is of Gemini basically. So yes, your energy is the Lovers. So Aries, you have to take a decision about this particular person. You are on the verge of taking a decision. You love them. There's no doubt in that that you love them. You feel that you are feeling love about this person. You are feeling very very passionate about this particular person. You feel like yes, this person, or might be you guys have very very intense sexual chemistry. That is why you are getting so much attracted to them. But whatever the case is, you love this person. You have feelings for this person, and I feel Gemini is coming to my mind. I don't know why. And how you see you, this is your energy. So your energy is of lovers right now, Aries. You love this person. You want to take a decision about this particular person. You want to stay with this person. Okay. How you see your person as the Page of Pentacles. You will see them kind of stable person, but they are might be financially stable. They might be stable in one area of their life, but they are kind of immature. Okay, they you feel like yes, they are offering you something, but that is not a solid energy. That is your feeling towards them. Okay, what you feel about this relationship? I think this is the Seven of Wands energy. You feel like this relationship is not taking the shape as it should take. Okay, so it is kind of energy that you should keep in mind, that you are taking your own ground, you are standing your own ground. You are also not revealing the whole truth to them. You are not telling them the exact thing what is going on behind the scenes. So you feel like there's something that is to be revealed between you guys. That is something, that there is something that is yet to be revealed between you guys. Okay, the open and honest communication is not there from what I feel is that you are feeling about this particular relationship. What you want from this relationship, I told you, you are feeling like there's lack of communication. What you want a communication from this person, Aries. You are longing for a communication from this person, back and forth communication. You want to communicate openly and honestly with this person. You want to what should I say, you want to give your heart and soul to this conversation. And you want this conversation to be like, okay, I want to tell you something. I want to hear you out. I want to listen to you. I want to tell you my story. Just be open and honest in the communication. All that is all is required right now for this relationship to work out. Okay. So the outcome from your side is the Ten of Wands. I think you are going to feel like you are under some kind of pressure to be in this relationship or to be with this person. You are feeling like there's a lot of pressure on your shoulders. You want this person in your life. You love this person, Aries, and this person also loves you. Because, but they are holding back right now. Right now, they are not in this condition of talking to you, maybe revealing too much to you. Maybe they are under so much of stress that they are not understanding what they want from this relationship. So you are also taking some kind of burden on your shoulders. You are also feeling like yes, I am also feeling burdened by this type of situation. But 10 is the number one. Eventually it is a new start, it is a new beginning, because it is the worst that could happen to somebody. After the worst, the beginning is good. Okay, so the outcome from your side is the Ten of Wands, that is clarified by the Sun, Five of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. So you are opening up to them. You are missing them a lot, and you are ready to put in the effort. Okay, so you are feeling, although you are feeling burdened, you find this person as a happiness. You are going to miss, you are missing them. Let me be honest with you, you are missing them a lot, and you are now ready to put in the effort. Maybe you both are now ready to put in the effort that you guys were not putting in together before this conversation. So there's lack of conversation basically, Aries, that is happening between you guys. But trust me, this person is very hopeful that they will come back to you. They will eventually talk to you. They will offer you something good. They will offer you some stable relationship maybe, and you are also now ready to put in the teamwork, put in the effort from your side, Aries. This is a good energy. Let's see love, what will be the uh, cards from the universe, the love oracle deck. I will pull three cards, the past energy, the present, and the near future energy. Okay, let's see. Just hold it. Okay. So eventually, I think you guys will open up to each other. You guys will talk to each other because you are missing them. You see them as your happiness. Now you are also ready to put in the effort. They are very hopeful. They are healing from something. They are ready to release the conflict. Okay, Aries, so give this a chance. Okay, this could be something very very beautiful in the future if you want to. Okay, so past card. Yes, the past card is breakup, separation, stop the pattern, silent treatment, abandonment. So what I feel, Aries, this is your recent past. This is what happened to you guys in the recent past. Okay, You guys are in separation maybe right now also. And the present energy, the current energy is, okay, engagement ring. I think this is the feeling of both the parties right now. Engagement ring. You guys want to be together. You guys want to take this relationship to another level. Okay. And let me pull the card for the future as well, near future. Be hopeful, ladies. Everything is going to be good. Lightning, sudden changes, surprise, epiphany, and transformation. I told you. So there will be changes in this relationship. There will be a lot of open and honest communication, and there will be a stable relationship offer as well. And lots of conflicts that were going on between you guys in the past will be healed, will be resolved. Okay. So thank you so much, Aries, for listening. This is all I have for you guys for till April, mid of April, and I'll see you back on. Maybe 15th or 16th. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and do like my channel and subscribe to it. I need it very, very badly. Thank you. God bless you.